Welcome to my channel. I am Maricita Colors in English. Hello my dear friends. Today I want to show you a new stitch in crochet. Look, is this. It's like the double crochet but with a little variation. It's very nice. This soon will be a beanie or a slouchy. In the reverse, the stitch is not so like this, it's different. I read a book here in Germany, and in this book this stitch is Rosenstäbchen, is something like the double crochet roses or flowers. It's very nice, and soon you will see this pattern here in my channel. I make two combinations of colors. Here you can see the normal double crochet, and here is the Rosenstäbchen or roses double crochet. Now you will learn this stitch with me. I will make in round. I will use this thick yarn and the hook number 6 millimeters. I will begin with the magic ring. How I make the magic ring. The yarn involves my finger. The long yarn goes in the back, and we insert the hook in this ring. We bring the yarn. Slowly I make out my finger, yarn over the hook, and I make two chains like the first double crochet. In this first round only I will make the normal double crochet. In the second round I will show you how to make this stitch. The double crochet is yarn over, we insert into the ring, we bring one loop, yarn over, we pass for 2, yarn over, and we pass for 2. Again, yarn over, we insert, we bring one loop, yarn over, we pass for 2, yarn over, and we pass for the last 2. For the beanie hats I make 12 double crochet in the first round. Remember that the first two chains are the first double crochet. So I will make the 12 double crochet. Here I make the 11 and the 12 double crochet. Like this I make my beanie hats, the beginning. I close the ring, I pull the yarn of the begin, and now we join. Where I join, here in these two chains of the beginning, here is one stitch, and here we make the slip stitch. And ready. Now I will make this new stitch. Again, two chains like the first double crochet. In this second round I must duplicate. So in every stitch I must make 2 double crochet. But I will make the double crochet with this new variation. Yarn over, we insert in this stitch, we bring one loop, and now is the variation. This loop must pass for the second. yarn over, and we pass for the last two. And we made the first double crochet with the variation. Again, yarn over, we go into the next stitch, we insert, we bring one loop, this loop pass for the second, yarn over, and we close the two stitches or the two loops. Again, yarn over, we insert, we bring one loop, and this loop pass into the next. Yarn over, and we pass for the two loops. And look, this double crochet is different. Again, two double crochet into the next stitch. We insert, we bring one loop, this loop, pass for the next, yarn over, and we pass for the two. Yarn over, we insert, we bring one loop, this loop pass for the second, yarn over, and we pass for the last two. This is the double crochet with this variation. It's very nice. And soon you will see in my beanie that I make in two colors. This is like this. Look. Here with this new color, I make the same. So it's a little thick, this stitch, so I think it's super warm. Okay, I hope that you like, and if you know this stitch in English, you can write me. I want to invite you to subscribe here in my channel, Maricita Colors in English. It's totally free. Remember, activate the bell for that you receive the post when I have a new video here in my channel. You can find me too in Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. And if you like this video, you can give one like and share it with your family and friends. Thank you very much to all the persons that watch my videos and write me. And we see us in my next crochet or knitting pattern. Ciao, ciao!